It's important to note, Brijesh, that to Sunetra Pawar is now at the stage Supriya Sule, holding her hand, giving her the support as they pay last respect to her husband. Difficult time, a sudden loss to the Sharad Pawar's family. The Sharad Pawar clan is now dealing with a tragic loss and was so sudden nobody saw it coming. The shock and the loss is irreplaceable. Family, Sharad Pawar's son, Rohit Pawar, Jay Pawar, Parath Pawar, Supriya Sule, Sunetra Pawar, all trying to stand strong and united as they bid last and final goodbye to Ajit Pawar.
There's a heartwarming scenes there on the screen. You see Sunetra Pawar offering final respect, final tributes to her departed husband Ajit Pawar with her sons Parth Pawar and Jay Pawar standing beside her. And there Supriya Sule taking care of the arrangements that are being done, escorting her aunt out of the stadium, out of the podium where now the last rites ceremony is about to begin.
Brijesh, it is important to note that Ajit Pawar was able to make a space for himself even after being in shadow of such a big stalwart of the Maharashtra politics, such as Sharad Pawar.
Absolutely. I think, they see, woods are being put on the body by Rohit Pawar and other nephews of in the Pawar clan. And, everyone is offering their last respect. And Supriya Sule is getting everyone there on the podium, and then where they're paying their last respect. After that, the last rites will be performed. But yes, coming back to the question, one thing was very clear that one of the traits which was, which Ajit Pawar was known was for the kind of hard work he would put in as far as, dealing with his constituents is concerned or carrying out his day-to-day activities in politics is concerned. He was someone who would get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and would carry out his work till wee hours. And this is the reason why he was, somebody who was very, very close to his constituency. He was respected by his opponents and he was loved by by the masses. And this is the reason why we saw him, winning the Baramati constituency 8 times in a row, which is a very fair indicator of how popular he was as far as a politician is concerned. He was seen as a successor to Sharad Pawar's legacy and someone who learned his politics from Sharad Pawar. And you know, who would have thought that he would meet his end in a tragic air crash at the age of 66.
Brijesh, Ajit Pawar was not at all like every other second generation political leader that we see who was born with a silver spoon. He made sure that he used the Pawar name correctly, and it was bold of him also to tell Sharad Pawar at a point that it is now time for the senior leadership to resign and for the young generation leaders to lead the party.
Oh, he was an extremely worthy successor. I mean, very rarely you see the second generation bear the mantle and go forward as Ajit Pawar has done, and and rightly so, because he was somebody who earned his spurs rather than have the legacy being given to him. Very emotional scenes there at Vidya Pratishthan ground, where the body of late Ajit Pawar is there. You see Praful Patel there.
It's like the family is still trying to come on terms with what has just happened. It's a tragic loss for the family, not only for the family, for the whole state of Maharashtra. They've lost a leader, they've lost a son, they've lost a father. He will be remembered as the leader of the people. Ajit Pawar, Ajit Dada, last moments. Look at the crowd that has gathered to say final goodbye to their leader. People have been walking on their foot, on motorcycles. There has been traffic congestion recorded across the state of Maharashtra as people are rushing in to catch a last glimpse of Ajit Pawar. They can. Look at the visuals. The amount of number of people, it's outpouring support and love for it's a testament to the fact that Ajit Pawar's political journey was dedicated to the people of Maharashtra.
I say very rarely you have such a long political life, and you also loved and respected by people cutting across party lines. Yesterday we saw a very heartfelt tribute by Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, who said that I have not lost a colleague, but I have also lost someone who's very, very trusted, very dear friend of mine, and someone I would turn to when it comes to taking notes on life, how to navigate certain things, and it was a testimony to the kind of friendship he had, and this was the kind of similar sentiments which echoed whether you are from the Congress party or the NCP or the Shiv Sena or BJP, and the fact that Home Minister Amit Shah is there. I mean, yes, Ajit Pawar was one of the partner in the Mahayuti, which is running the Maharashtra right now as a deputy chief minister. But Amit Shah is there, Nitin Nabeen is there, who's a BJP national president, and all Sushil Shinde is there, Praful Patel. So a lot of politicians from Maharashtra and the national spectrum, they're there. Nitin Gadkari is there. People with slight divergent views and all, but they were all
कुटुंबीय नातेवाईकांनंतर
Ajit Pawar at some time, and
आदरणीय अमितजी शहा सुरुवातीला पुष्पचक्र वाहून श्रद्धांजली अर्पण करणार आहेत आणि त्यानंतर इतरांनाही विनंती आहे की आपण पुढे येणार आहात.
हीरो बारामती में अभी बहुत गाड़ी को छुड़ाया है तो पैसा देकर लगाने के लिए कोई नहीं नहीं नहीं